Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: A Beginner's Guide to Printing Text in Python. Introduction. Printing text in Python is a fundamental skill for any programmer. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, understanding how to display information on the console is crucial. In this tutorial, we'll cover the basics of printing text in Python, along with some helpful code examples. Using the print function. The most common way to display text in Python is through the print function. It allows you to output text to the console. In example 1, we use print hello Python to output the text hello Python to the console. In example 2, we print multiple values separated by commas. Formatting text with f-strings. Python 3.6 and later versions support f-strings, a concise and convenient way to format strings. In this example, we use an f-string to embed variables directly into the string. Concatenating strings. Another way to print text is by concatenating strings using the plus operator. Here, we combine the strings hello and Python using the plus operator. Escape characters. Python supports escape characters to represent special characters within strings. In this example, \n represents a new line and \t represents a tab. Printing to a file. Besides the console, you can also print text to a file using the print function. Here, the with statement ensures proper file handling, and file equals file specifies the output destination. Conclusion. Printing text in Python is a basic yet essential skill. Whether you're displaying simple messages or complex information, mastering the art of printing text will serve you well in your coding journey. Experiment with these examples, and soon you'll be confidently outputting text in your Python programs. ChatGPT.